Yazi la endlini ngine 4-year-old that can write and count. Lo muntu can sing ama alphabets from A to Z. She can write better than you, and here you are on social media. Uzoziveza ubuze bakho. Ubhalo rubbish kodwa ufuna ukucomment entweni engakufuni nokufuna ukhomenta no rubbish ezintweni zabantu ongahlangene nazo. Ubungethule kambe then ukuthi uvele uziveze ubuze bakho kanje. Ubungethule wena Nombulelo. Vala umlomo wakho. Yazi ukuthula kubiza imali. Awuzenzela ifavor uqala ubuyele e-preschool uyofunda ama-alphabet ufunde nokubhala spelling kahle before uzokhomment rubbish la on my content. Life graduate ake nisondele ngapha akuyona indaba akuyona i-podcast kodwa nje nayi impendulo ethe yangena from i-video engiyenzile izolo concerning ukuthi I was reporting to you guys as the shareholders of this platform. In case nibona ngiyamalele, it's because I'll be dealing with what? And in case, you know, somebody's going through the same thing that I'm going through, agazi ukuthi akayedwa, because this platform like is highly educational. Senza i-awareness la, sikhuthaza abantu, siphilisa abantu, siqaqa ingqondo zabantu, sivula imiqondo yabantu, sibafundisa ngempilo ukuthi impilo injani. And bese kuzoba khona nje hayi bese kuzoba khona nje uclever unombulelo ubani unombulelo Thoyana. I'm even sure ukuthi akuyona neyala eSouth Africa lento libhalela kodwa nani niyashare yo ezinye izinto you only share with your immediate family, but ke ngoba khona i-social media niyazisakaza indaba zenu ezi-private yo ithini indoda or i-boyfriend yakho attention seeker. Yey wena Mbulelo, yazi abantu abajwayele ukuvula imilomo babhaqaze njengawe, abajwayele ukuthi mebevula imilomo kuma channel wabantu bese beyayokoza njengawe, abajwayele ukuvula imilomo athi umuntu bethu uyawuvula umlomo post i-comment kuvele kunuke njengawe. Ngijwayele ukungaba entertain, I usually ignore them, but wena Nkosi yami ngoba ngiyakubona ukuthi uneyinkinga zakho nje konakela udinga usizo, ngizokuyeka. Yazi ngizokuyeka Nkosi yami ngoba konakele. Ngithinte monu ulimele, ulinyazwe ubani? Kwakwenze njani? Khuluma. Khuluma bodla ikhiphe yonke. Mhlawumbe uzosizakala. Ngoba awukwazi ukukhuluma kanje Nkosi yami in this day and age. Awukwazi ukulimala kanje engqondweni in this day and age. Khuluma ke dali, kungaze konakale nakuwe. Hi guys, angihleki ngoba ngihleka. Uthi Nombulelo I'm an attention seeker because ngisherile what I'm going through, because ngisherile ukuthi just in case ningibona ngiyamalele understand ukuthi kwenzakalani, and ngicela niqhubeke nokusupport channel. Ngizobe ngisabuya nje ngoba ngizobe ngithathe i-break ukunaka ezempilo. Unombulelo uthi ngi-attention seeker. This I should have shared only with my family. Yona ithini indoda yami or i-boyfriend yami? Yazi Nkosi yami usizi lolu engilihlekayo, iyadabukisa lento engiyihlekayo, akusiyona kahle into yokuhlekwa ukuthi ku-2026 we are living right in 2026, and not just in 2026 where information is everywhere about anything oyifunayo concerning ukugula, concerning i-awareness, concerning indlela abantu abaphila ngayo, all social ills of which la kule platform is our core. ukuthi we are here to inspire each other, we are here to educate each other, and we are here to create awareness on things and everything that happen out there. That is why in my platform, in my podcast, you'll find sikhuluma nezitabane. That is why in my platforms you find sikhuluma nabantu abazelwe ngobulili obubili. Mangikhuluma ngobulili obubili, angikhulumi ngokuthi uzalwe uyintombazana abantu bakini bathi yure intombazana. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu mina onetoto nenkomo at the same time. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu one-genetical issue when it comes to gender yakhe. That is why on this platform I've had abantu abaphila ngokukhubazeka. I've brought couples in this platform where the other person is 100% okay and another person is disabled. And then we find such a shame of a human being, of a person who comes here on my platform azokhuluma kunye adukelwe itoilet ukuthi lingakephi acabanga ukuthi mephiswa ezokhona into emshisa emdidini uzoyithola la itoilet or umnyango wayo in my platform. Lalela la nombulelo, akekho umuntu okuncengile number 1 ukuthi buka le video. And I know ukuthi Shebo uphoxekile kahle kahle. You watched this video, you saw the thumbnail and you thought ukuthi nawo umgosi cause nikhohlakele ninjalo nje. Mhlambe you were thinking ukuthi umalwaze somebody is threatening ntontonton because kwakhuluma isto. I'm sure ukuthi you were thinking along those lines and waphoxeka wangayithola into boyifuna. The way ingqondo yakho ende ngakhona kodwa futhi bingafika indawo, yazi unenkinga yokuthi kahle kahle yazi uyangidabukisa mina. Shame on you. Ayibo Nkosi yami, shame on you. Uthi uyabukisa ngoba kahle kahle le comment yakho yokubukisa ukuthi ngathi ngishare into eserious ngalolu hlobo. Uthi uzobukisa ungaboni ukuthi ubukisa ngomuntu obusiseke ufana njengami. Uthi uyabukisa ungabukisi kanti wena sawubukisa ngawe uqobo ufuna ukusikhombisa ubude bengqondo yakho ukuthi kanti ingqondo yakho yona yindi kangakanani. Nkosi yami, ubude bengqondo yakho. Shame for saying what you are saying in 2026. Uzositshela ukuthi singama attention seekers. When on this platform we have spoken about izinto ezinyantisayo, even worse than this, we had real people sharing about real life challenges. And when in 2026 le channel Nkosi yami iqale nini ukukhuluma ngale zinto owesingakhi lo nyaka ikhuluma ngale zinto, and I am definitely sure you are not even a follower. You are not even a follower. You are just one of those abathanda indaba nje who are here and watch for 5 seconds makacike bese yini labe nisithukayo nisithukele i-content that we create ukuraise i-awareness. Yini labe nisilandela amakwerekwere ama-Nigeria le ukuthi azobulala iy'ngane zethu zilale namakwerekwere iy'ngane zethu ziphuquke iy'mpethu ziphile ingane ibola iphila. Yini laba eniqhakambisa ukushushumbisa kwey'ngane ziney'ngane ey'lahlekayo zingaka nje. Yinina mangabe sila kulama platforms sikhuluma ngento ezenzakalayo, you shush us because you get so mad at us ukuthi we are saying lezinto enidla ngazo ninanembeza ukuthi iy'ngane zethu ziyafa out there. Lalela ke lawe Nombulelo, okuhambe sisiyofundiseka ungezi la uzosikhombisa ukuthi ingqondo yakhe imfushane kangakanani, slimandini esiclever esikwazi ukuzotshela umuntu kwi-platform yakhe ukuthi you are oversharing. Who are you? Okokuqala uthunywe ubani? Okwesibili ubani okuphoqela ukuthi ubuka? Okwesithathu lalela lana ke Munu. Uyabona njengoba ngivuka ngimfurufuru ngi-energetic ngimuhle ngicwebezela nginje engathi anginayo inkinga. It's because la on this platform I've got intercessors. I've got people who love me so dearly. Mina, within 5 minutes of sharing this video, I was already receiving prayers via my WhatsApp voice notes. I was already receiving comments that are saying, we are with you, you are not going anywhere. Thank God, Dokotela, these precancerous cells, they were caught early to do something about them. You are going to be fine, Malwandle. You just read the comments for yourself. Uhambe uyofundiseka kabanzi ngempilo. Okugcina ngiyakubona ukuthi ulimele la. Kuningi Nkosi yami okulimele, mhlambe walinyazwa yiyo le family okhuluma ngayo uthi angihambe ngiyotshela yona. Mhlambe kwawena uyayifisa but into ongayazi nokuthi imbala njani. Uzwa kushiwo nje ukuthi kushare izinto ezi-private ne-family. Mhlambe unesifiso. Ulimele Ntombo. Mzukwane usurede ukukhuluma ubongibhalela mana. Yaza Munu. Mzukwane usurede ukukhuluma. Hayi ubongibhalela sithanda sikhuluma indaba yakho. Futhi uma unganqeni ngisho ama-camera uboza live. kwi-podcast siyishuthi i-episode ungitshele ukuthi udliwa yini. Ungitshela ukuthi udliwa yini ungafisi khona. Akangafi umuntu sibhekile bakwethu. Life Graduate niyavuma ukuthi Facebook. Hayi akangafi umuntu sibuka. Ungafisi kubuka Nombulelo. Le indawo yokuphila, indawo yokwakha, indawo yokukhuthaza, indawo yokushintsha i-mindset le yakho encane engalingani ngisho naneqhuzu lekinati. Eyakho ngazi mhlambe ilingana nohlamvu lashukela. The way it's so low mentally, the way you are so mentally disturbed, ulimele. Ngiyakuzwela ukungena nje uba nesibindi esingakaso ukungena ubhale le comment oyibhalile. It shows how much olimele ngakhona empilweni. Hayi ulimele shem, ngoba akekho umuntu ophila ku-2026 obhala lo rubbish we nonsense oyibhalile. Futhi namanje ukuba kuthiwa ngiyakwazi ukuthuka inhlamba ngabe ngiyayithuka ngikubize nje ngayo ngoba you are deserving of it. Who are you? Where do you get off ukuzotshela abantu ukuthi benzeni ngempilo yabo? uJesu wakephike wena uqathake wafela bani kweziphi izono ukuthi abantu bazozwa ngawe ukuthi abashare ini bangashare ini? Azongijwayela ikaka mina, azongiqhela ikaka mina mfana. Umfana intombazane wini, I don't give a fuck. Ungazongiqhela ikaka, awungazi what I do here. Qondene nama life graduates wami who are here, who are learning every day from this content. Wena mawufuna ukuyonukisa la uyofuna ukuyonukisa khona, hamba uyonukisa khona kubole khona. Mawufuna ukusizakala, you are going to write me a DM on Facebook, a DM on TikTok, a DM on Instagram. Ungitshela ukuthi udliwa yini. Mhlambe uzosizakala, mhlambe uNkulunkulu is using you ngale comment nasty for ukuthi usizakale. Ngeke sazi uNkulunkulu usebenza ngendlela eziningi. Kodwa ke by the way Life Graduate, I thank you so much for the encouraging messages. Sengiyaphila already. I even ngithole nobuthongo bomnandi last night because of the encouraging words that you gave me. And I love you for it. Asibambeni kanje bafana. Mina nani sihambe kanje nje nge-straight line. Sibambeni nje kanje. Lo siya overshare kusekuningi kuyeza sisazoshare and asizokucontrola wena, sizokuzwa ngawo ngoba sizokwakha la, sizofundisa abantu la. Soqaqa ingqondo zabantu. Sizofundisa abantu ngempilo. Into mawungayazi buza uchazelwe. Into mawuxa ukuthi ubuze then ukuthi ukhuluma ikaka, hamba oguglisha ukuthi izinto ezinje zibangwa yini. Precancerous cells, cancer siyithola ngisho esidleni esikudlayo. Uzongitshela ukuthi I'm oversharing. Yes, I was talking about the vagina, and i-vagina bengikhuluma ngayo eyami. It had a growth in it, and that growth that was in it was not even a concern to think ukuthi ngaya kudokotela i-concern ngiyokhipha leyo growth eyayi kwi-vagina. Only to find out it was caused by the fact that I used too much shaving creams. Izinza zigcina zi-frustrated ukuthi zikhule yishonephi, and then zakhula zangena ngaphakathi zakha leyo growth. Into engangiyela was not even harmful. Thank God ukuthi ngiyele enye into kwavela enye into that could have caused harm. But ke bebezoyibamba anyway because it is important ukuthi uhambe i-pap smear umuntu wesifazane wenze i-mammogram once a year. It's highly recommended. I recommend ukuthi nawe uhambe uyokwenza i-pap smear. Mhlambe ngikhuluma nawe nje ubolile ngaphansi uwe loqhuphuka nezempethu, uhamba ulala uphuma ungena ulalela izimali eziquick ezisheshayo zamakhorokela ama-Nigeria lapha ngoba ufuna impilo esheshayo. So uma ubona abanye abantu beshare izinto ezinje kuyakunyanyisa, ukuscratcha kabi. Uvela uze kufutha yonke into enoboya. Ahambe yokufuthela le kude ke la. Akulilinge nje. Akungilinge nje mina akungilinge, awungazi angikwazi. Akungilinge. Ungake ungilinge ngoba awungazi.